Ernesto, I mean, not a lot I can say about him, really. Yeah, besides the fact that he's, well, a background character. I mean, of course, I mean, most of the characters are, well, actually, I mean, because Pixar, or Mattel, they released, they released a surprising amount of background characters who only get a couple seconds, max, in the films, or film. Some of them appear in one film, like Ernesto. Yeah. There's Celine Defair from Cars 2, the one with eyes in her headlights. That one. Yeah, I mean, she gets I don't know, I can't. I think she might be a Chase. I think so. I need to double check. But of course, I mean, Ernesto, he's one of the Rusty's trainees. You never know if he made it to the Piston Cup or not. Probably not, to be honest, because it's not impossible for him to reach the Piston Cup, because he might have raced for a team that's not Rusty's. It sounds a bit odd and whatnot, but he could have raced for another team like Elite Glass or Carbon Cyber. I don't know. You get the point by now, don't you? Actually, speaking of Elite Glass, he's yellow, like Elite Glass. He could have raced for Elite Glass, but I don't know. So some of the theories I make are I don't know, how would you call it? A bit, pretentious, is that the word? Or out of the ordinary, or, surprising, or, does that make sense? I think it does, just about. Well, at least it's better than what politicians say. I think. I don't know a single thing about politics, so I couldn't tell you. I actually don't as well. I actually don't know a single thing about politics besides the Zelensky and Trump and whatever. Still, let's have a closer look at him. Still, is Danny Swerve's model 25? Ooh, I just realised something, If you swap the numbers 2 and 5 around, you get 52. Lee Glass's number is 52. Ooh! There's more evidence to back up my theory. Still side exhaust and Danny Swerve's model and... Well, of course, he wouldn't have the yellow rookie stripes because he hadn't participated in any Piston Cup races yet. So another 25, he's just bland. There's not a lot I can say about him, in terms of design. Let's try and find some things. Does anyone know what these rectangles on the roof are for? You seen them? I wonder what they're for. Now I think this guy was only released once, and that was back in 2020. So, if you want to get him, then, you'll have to go to like eBay or Amazon or those sorts of places where you can buy them, I don't know. Have a great day, folks.